You know, usually we have these summits for specialties and super specialties, but then you are trying to have 60 different sessions, bringing all these things on one platform. Not only the medical people, but also the pharmaceutical people, almost all the stakeholders. How does it really help in bringing about innovation or advances, and what is the how do you go about it through this particular event? Make a small announcement, or rather a small bit of information that I would like to share with you. I am happy to inform you that Dr. V.M. Katoch has agreed to come as a guest of honor at the inaugural function of the summit. As you know, V.M. Katoch is the Director General of the Indian Council for Medical Research, and he is also an ex officio secretary of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. We will also be having Justice Venkatramana, who is from our state, as another guest of honor at the inaugural function. Of course, I am not going to talk about Justice Venkatramana because he is very well known to everyone here. Similarly, for the valedictory function, during which the awards will be given away, we will be having Justice Chalameswar Rao, once again from our state, Justice Chalameswar Rao of the Supreme Court. He will be there with us in the valedictory function, and also Justice Justice Raghuram of he is the chairman of the Central Board of Taxes. So he will also be here. He is of the rank of a Chief Justice right now. Of course, you will be wondering, how is it that only justices' names are there? How is it there are no names of politicians, or rather the political leaders? So for that, we are also waiting for another 3-4 days. And I am happy to say that this Indo-Global Healthcare Summit and Expo will be the first major international event for Telangana, that is after the formation of the state of Telangana. This will be the first event that would be taking place in Telangana. It will also be the first event that would be taking place for Andhra Pradesh as well, the residual Andhra Pradesh as well, because Andhra Pradesh would still be having Hyderabad as the capital. So we will certainly be inviting the Chief Ministers of Telangana and the Chief Minister of Andhra, or rather Andhra Pradesh, to come as the chief guests for the inaugural function and for the valedictory function. So with these words, I would like to thank you all once again.